You're operating your hard disk drives in a redundant array, so-called RAID. That's a good idea. You are protected against hard disk drives failures. Your data is still there and you can continue to work. So in case of a failure and you have replaced your drive, all the data set in the RAID has to be rebuilt, and that takes time and resource of the RAID. And during that time, your data is vulnerable. There's no redundancy anymore. So it's important to keep your rebuild times short. Ideally, if you leave your RAID unloaded, if you stop working, if you don't put any productive workload on the RAID, that will lead to the shortest rebuild times. Yeah? You can continue to work, but ideally as low as possible or not at all. That's important in case of this unlikely hard disk drive failure. Thank you.